Hello everyone, welcome you all. Here I am going to discuss Boeing KC-135 Stratotanker aircraft. That is the aerial refueling aircraft uh, of the US Air Force, and it serves more than 15 years of unbeaten service in US Air Force. The Boeing KC-135 Stratotanker is a US Air Force aircraft used for aerial refueling and airlift. It has a wingspan of 130 feet and a length of 136 feet. Features engines 4 CFM International CFM 56 turbofan engines, speed 530 miles per hour at 30,000 feet height, maximum ceiling of 50,000 feet, range 1,500 miles with 1,50,000 lbs of transport fuel, takeoff weight 3,22,500 lbs, cargo capacity 83,000 lbs, crew pilot, co-pilot and boom operator. Refueling, there are two methods of the refueling. Here we'll take, that is the KC-135 can refuel aircraft using the probe and drag method or the flying boom method. First is the flying boom, a long extendable arm used to transfer fuel to other aircraft during the mid-air refueling. This is view from the boom's operator's hatch as the F-35 takes the fuel from KC-135, and this is the boom, that is the extendable arm which will be connected to the tank of the other fighter aircraft for the refueling. And this, whatever the boom is there, it is operated by the boom operator so that it can be perfectly connect to that the point of, that is where the refueling point is there. And after that, the connection is to be maintained for the that till the continuation of the refueling is there. And after that, the disconnection is also carried out, and that is the boom operation is required. Okay, that is one method of the refueling. The another one, the probe and drag method, uses a flexible hose with a basket at the end of the funnels that receives the aircraft's probe into hose. This is here. This is the aircraft probe. Usually, it will be connected to the all fighter aircrafts where the refueling is required. This probe is associated with the aircraft which is to be refueled, and this basket, whatever is there, that is called as a uh, drag, and that drag is connected to this probe during the its refueling process. The hose is connected, and this is the operation is to be carried out in order to connect this one. This basket will becomes contact with this probe, and later onwards the line which is there, the which will be connects each other for the continuous flow of the fuel, and the refueling will be carried out. That is the another method, that is the probe and drag method of the refueling. The history of this KC-135. The KC-135 developed from the Boeing 360-80 prototype. It was the first jet-powered refueling tanker for the US Air Force. It is a jet-powered. Jet engine is used for the powering this aircraft for the refueling tank in the first one used in the US Air Force. The KC-135 flew in the first flew in the August 1956. There are 4 models of the KC-135. Those are A, E, R and T. Comparison will take. The KC-135 Stratotanker is similar in appearance to the Boeing 707, but the KC-135 is shorter and has a narrower fuselage. The KC-135R and KC-135T are re-engined models of the KC-135 that are more fuel efficient and quieter. Here, KC-135R and KC-135T fuel efficiency. The KC-135R and KC-135T are 25% more fuel efficient than the KC-135A. Noise. The KC-135R and KC-135T are 96% quieter than the KC-135A. offload capacity. The KC-135R and KC-135T can offload 50% more fuel than KC-135A. KC-135E fuel efficiency. The KC-135 is 14% more fuel efficient than the KC-135A. Offload capacity. The KC-135E can offload 20% more fuel than the KC-135A. KC-135 missions. It is used for the different missions also. The KC-135 has been used for reconnaissance, flying command post missions and airlift. The KC-135 has also been used in the Vietnam War and Operation Desert Storm. This is the war between the Iraq and the other 42 countries led by the US. The KC-135 upgrades. The KC-135 R or T model aircraft have undergone upgrades to improve their reliability and expand their capability. The United States is set to be participate in Aero India 2025, marking its 15th appearance in the biennial air show, which is occurring in 2 years at one times in Yelahanka, Karnataka, Bengaluru, with more than 2 dozen American exhibitors showcasing US-made defense equipment and the technology, including advanced aircraft such as F-16, F-35, and KC-135 Stratotanker and B-1 bomber. These are the main aircraft which are exhibited in the Indian air show, which was carried out in January and February. Witness the US KC-135 Stratotanker, the aerial refueling backbone that keeps the global air missions in motion. At Aero India 2025, designed for endurance and strategic reach, this tanker ensures unmatched operational capability in the skies. Even though it was in operation from the 50 years, but it is upgraded and presently also in the year 2025 it is exhibited in the air show in India, and that will be shows its capability in the aerial refueling, and that keeps moving all the global missions were refueling it. This is about the Boeing KC-135 Stratotanker, and others also US aircrafts, other competitive aircrafts of this fighter jets I have discussed in the other sessions. Those links I have given in the description. Those also you can refer and watch. Thanks for watching. If you like, share, subscribe and comment.